Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais.
Inspector Emmanuel Tumaini, we have prepared a number of presentations, 12 in total. We are going to demonstrate the skills,
jinsi ya kuweza kukabiliana na kujikinga kukabiliana na adui. Mheshimiwa Rais, bila kutumia silaha yoyote. Jinsi ya kuweza kujikinga. Mheshimiwa Rais,
wito wetu kama serikali ni kusema ya kwamba agencies zetu zote za serikali zifanye kazi pamoja, kwa sababu ni kwa kufanya pamoja ambapo tutakuwa na huo uwezo wa kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumeshinda adui ambaye aendelea kusumbua usalama wa taifa letu la Kenya. Na tukiwa hapo, tunataka kutoa heko kwa maafisa wetu wa GSU ambao wameungana na wenzao wa general duties kuwasaidia na training yao, kuwapatia heko kupitia kwako CDF, wanajeshi wetu ambao pia wameungana pamoja nasi kuongeza ujuzi wao kwenye training yenu, na pia wenzetu wa NIS ambao kupitia pia Kanubabu hapa hata hao wamechangia katika hii training, kumaanisha ya kwamba tukifanya kazi pamoja hakuna shaka ya kwamba tutaweza kufaulu na jukumu letu la kulinda taifa letu la Kenya. Yangu ni
Indeed, Your Excellency, you gave instruction when we were in Mombasa last year, following the intense challenge of security in Northeastern, that we have to stop this threat. It was during then when we witnessed the attacks and our officers in the police station of Eastern were not able to withstand and they were taking off instead of meeting and dealing with the enemy. You bear me witness, Your Excellency, what you have seen is a total change, and it is attributed to what we have seen in Eastern for the last 6 months. That region is calm after we deployed the 7 units in Northeastern. I will not forget, Your Excellency, to thank the Chief of Defense Forces, General Kibuchi, the DG NIS, Mr. Kameru, and Mr. Kanja, who have tirelessly contributed trainers for the now second time to help the police to make to this standard. And this is not because of anything else, it is because of your support, Your Excellency.
We are all very proud of what you have accomplished, and more importantly, for what you are about to embark upon as you join now the Quick Response Unit. I want to recognize and commend the efforts made by the Cabinet Secretary and his team at the Ministry of Interior Coordination of National Government, the Inspector General, National Police Service, his DIGs, for everything that you have been working on as we continue to make our porous Kenya-Somalia border secure. Indeed, as has been stated, we all note with satisfaction that following the deployment of the first team of the Quick Response Unit, the state of security of the northeastern region of our nation has significantly improved. Hongera tena. Ladies and gentlemen, the fundamental reason for the establishment and existence of the state is the provision of security. And I cannot overemphasize more the fundamental rights that underpin our vibrant democracy could not be enjoyed by Kenyans without security.
like many people in this audience, I know where we have come from, the challenges we've had in the past, and out of your commitment and strategic vision, the transformation that has taken place in the security sector in the country. As a citizen of this country, first and foremost, and secondly as your Minister for Interior, I want to very sincerely thank you, sir, for your leadership and vision. It takes leadership to get us here. Your Excellency, it is true, as the Inspector General alluded to, that when you met us last year in Mombasa, you gave very firm instructions and you drew a path and a plan for us on the way we should go. And Your Excellency, we have witnessed the dramatic changes in the investment in the security sector and the training and the capacitation of the teams that we have in the security sector. On my own behalf and on behalf of my colleagues at the Ministry of Interior, I would like to thank you for your continued support. Secondly, and lastly, sir, I want to pay special tribute to our colleagues who have been directly working on this. The CDF, General Kiboshi and his team, who have remained very supportive, and the service commanders, even in the other assignments that you have given us, the next steps we are taking to train the police officers and how we have benefited from the expansive experience and commitment of our police officers. General Philip Kabel, our Director General of the National Intelligence Service, who has probably been the most consequential Director General of the National Intelligence Service since the independence of this country. My colleagues in the police service, the GSU Commandant, the DIGs, Mr. Mbogwa, Mr. Gabo, for the solid team spirit that you have built and the commitment that you have shown in leading our teams out here. Your Excellency, from me and my colleagues at the Ministry of Interior, we can only promise that we will follow your example. We will remain committed to the plan that you have drawn for us, and we will do so with the seriousness that we have seen this afternoon from the smart young Kenyans who have spent 14 weeks here undertaking this training. Finally, sir, sometimes people think these things just happen. I have often pointed out that you have taken your foremost constitutional responsibility as the President of our country and as our head of state in securing our country very seriously. And you have not just given it perfunctory attention. You spend a lot of time with our security teams across the spectrum of responsibility. You are passionate have ceremonies and have fun about it. It is the incisive manner and focus with which you do it that is inspiring even to us and many of my colleagues in the sector.
It has been and will always be my unshakable resolve to equip you appropriately so that you can deliver even better service to the people of this republic. Indeed, while our fiscal situation has been tight, I have prioritized the modernization of the security sector in terms of equipment and infrastructure. And equally important, we have taken steps to improve in terms of service through the provision of benefits such as comprehensive medical insurance cover, as well as group life insurance. Let me say that I'm pleased to note that the National Police Service is also committed to the multi-agency synergy in both training and operations. The National Police Service must continuously develop enduring partnerships and foster long-term relations with other stakeholders in the security sector, as well as with the communities within which you work. This is the only way in which our police service can continue to guard our nation against the multi-pronged and dynamic threats that exist within a fast-changing security environment.